Emma. I screamed in that one video where I was reacting to the recently deleted Cake Girl song, and I want you guys to meet her, so I'm gonna get her real quickly.
Emma. There she is. Know her glory. Hi, Emma. Hi, baby. Isn't she so sweet? Okay, we get it, Emma. We get it! Put questions about my cat in the comments section. I will do a long form video answering all of them as soon as I can. Anyways, bye. Sorry, I haven't posted for like